How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another Trias update for you. Make sure you have liked, subscribed and commented if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow, and we're on the road to 7k, so if you can, share these updates as well. So what we were predicting in the last Trias update is pretty much still going as planned, so nothing here is out of the ordinary, nothing here is catching us off guard, because all the moves we've essentially called previously in my chat, but also in the videos second. So yeah, of course the main priority is the chat, but I did, of course, share this with you guys. So when we were coming, I think somewhere over here, I was suggesting in the chat that we fall back to this previous resistance, now support, get that initial bounce because it is a support that needs to be tested, and then come back into this right shoulder over here, which I mentioned in the last update as well. I said that, yes, we could be going up right now. I would need a break past $4.50 and $4.65. If you remember, well done. Let me know in the comment section below. If you do not remember, this is why you need to subscribe and turn those notification bells on. I also do live streams, and this is something that I'm going to bring more of to the channel. I want to do a few a week, guys, because it's quite hard to do a million videos for you guys. So it's quite simple to do it in a 1 hour, 2 hour session in my live streams. Make sure you do keep your eyes peeled for that. So turn on those notification bells on. You have to be subscribed to turn on those notification bells. So again, we were expecting this to be a resistance and then to fall back down, and now we formed that head and shoulders pattern. So yes, we have lost the neckline of it. In fact, guys, we are still looking to head lower. Now, the moving averages would say otherwise. The Fibonacci's could say otherwise, but I'm going to show you potential paths to the downside today. I've already previously mentioned this rising wedge over here, and in fact, we have a much larger rising wedge, or bull channel, whatever you want to call it, but let's focus on the smaller one at the moment. The smaller one's target is back down at this previous purple box, which is also so happens to be this previous resistance. Can you see to the left over here where we had this top, came down, formed a double bottom, broke out and formed a head and shoulders, and the head so happens to be a fake out, where the shoulders over here, the left and the right shoulder, was the true resistance. Sorry if you can hear my dog in the background. She don't know what to do, she's just walking. But yeah, so we made a higher high, incredible. This is an uptrend. Now we just need a higher low. The 200 EMA is higher than that low, so pretty much certain that we will eventually trend higher than this. Form the double bottom down there, and we did eventually trend higher, setting a new higher high. But the fact was, guys, we didn't hold it as support over here. So when we next break out, we need to see this back tested as support. In fact, it actually looks quite, this area over here with this high and this high, it looks quite similar to this high and this high. Although the shoulders were in line with that, this current shoulder is not in line with that. But we can see previously that we tried to head back down to this area, which would so happen to be this area over here. So that's where price is coming towards. We're yet to form this bearish cross over here. Can you see previously to the left, we actually did not form the bearish cross with this 12 and 20. You see how it pretty much almost happened, but it didn't. This is called an EMA repel, where price, as it was about to go into a downtrend and failed to, continues with the uptrend with a slingshot motion, and we got that right there. Could this now happen as price is coming towards the 55, just as it did last time over here? Let me turn off those drawings. So previously price almost hit the 55. Can you see that it actually did not touch it? So could it be the case the same thing happen again? Where we do another EMA repel where these are about to cross over, but they failed to, and price slingshots back up. This would be nice to see, but this is not the path that really and truly should be taken, as the path that should be taken at the moment is a path that we're yet to invalidate. So you can stop it if we go ahead and invalidate it, and that would be breaking these highs again. So I want to see that $4.50 to $4.65 broken. Until then, that is resistance. We're coming down to test key levels of support. We're coming into this golden pocket right now, so that would be coming into this zone over here. So what I would need to see is price coming into this zone and then holding this as support to then continue higher, because this is the golden pocket. This is where we created the reverse wave. I'm measuring the fibs from this point to that point. So in fact, we should run into the gold pocket and then continue lower, trend lower. But was that the case? Absolutely not. We created the reverse wave over here, and all that's pretty much happening is coming back to key levels of support, which is that 55, as well as this purple box, which is the golden pocket. Looking for this to be held, respected, and then look for that continuation to higher price targets. If this fails now, and we fail to break out of here, this is all still resistance, and we roll over, we could be coming back down to this $3.10 to $3.35 region. $3.35, yeah. So in and around that area, I would look to, of course, if it does get down there, to accumulate. Maybe I will look to accumulate over here, as it is the 55, and the reverse wave has been created. So really and truly, if we are to go up to these higher targets, price should hold this area. That is it from me today. Bit of a shorter update, but there's not much more to say. It was just another update on top of what we were saying previously, which is this bearish path with the target all the way back down to here. Can we invalidate that by holding the support, breaking out and meeting those targets up there? Or will we now just hit this as support, bearish retest, and then continue lower to the target? Which at that point, as you can see, if we do roll over here, that could be an even larger head and shoulders pattern. So don't worry, I will update you guys. If it's not another video, it will be in my live stream. But thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We're on the road to 7K. So if you can share this, that'd be great. Turn those notification bells on so you're aware when these live streams and videos do come out. Thank you guys so much.